This is practical number 5. Design half adder and half subtractor using Boolean expression. In theory also we have seen the design of half adder and half subtractor. Likewise we will do connection and we will construct the half adder using IC. Now this is the circuit diagram for half adder which we have constructed on the basis of 2-bit addition and 2-bit subtraction truth table. In diagram you can see that XOR gate, that is a sum, is designed. That means A XOR B with the help of XOR gate. So for XOR gate we will require 7486 IC and will provide input to pin number 1 and 2. Now for carry, the carry equation is A dot B. So we will require AND gate IC, that is 7408 IC, and again it will require input to pin number 1 and pin number 2. And both the ICs are having output at pin number 3. So we will do the connection on breadboard like this diagram. Now we will see the breadboard connection. Here first IC is 7486 IC and second IC is 7408 IC, that is AND IC. Now we will see the supply connection first. So at pin number 14 we have connected plus 5 volt on digital board. We have taken wire from that side and it is connected to pin number 14, and again from that black wire we have taken that plus 5 volt and we have connected to pin number 14 of AND gate IC. So we have done the plus 5 volt connection. Likewise the ground pin is taken and it is connected to pin number 7 of 806 IC, and from blue wire we have connected that ground to 7408 pin number 7 IC. So we have done the supply connection for both the ICs. Now we will see that input connection. Again from input section, first input is connected to pin number 1 of the 7486 IC, and this is continued. This input is continued with white wire to the pin number 1 of 7408 IC, pin number 2 of 7408 IC. Then input number 2 we have taken from input section and it is connected to pin number 2 of 7486 IC, and this input is continued with green wire to the pin number 1 of 7408 IC. Likewise we have done the connection for inputs. Now we have taken the output, that is our sum. Our sum is pin number 3 of 7486 IC, which is connected to one pin of output section, and output 7, you can see that output 7 is our sum. Likewise pin number 3 of 7408 IC is connected to second output section, that is output number 8, and output number 8 is our carry. So we will now see the truth table for half adder. So in truth table of half adder you can see for first condition, means for first input condition 0 0, our sum is 0 and carry is also 0. Next for input A is 0 and input B is 1, for that sum is 1 and carry is 0. Next condition for input 1 and A input is 1 and input B is 0, for that sum is 1 and carry is 0. And for last condition, means both the inputs are 1 1, at that time sum is 0 and carry is 1. Now we will observe this truth table on our circuit board. Now we'll first apply. We will first apply the first condition. In first condition, both the inputs are 0, so we'll not blow on our inputs. Will give 0 0 over there. For that condition, you can observe both the outputs are 0. Means we have proven our first condition, that is for A and B 0 0. Our sum and carry is also 0. Now we will apply a second condition, that is our first input is 0 and second input is 1. So you can observe that sum is 0, sum is 1 and carry is 0. Sum is 1 and carry is 0. Now for third condition, input A is 1 and B is 0. For that, input A is 1, input A is 1 and B is 0. For that condition, sum is 1 and carry is 0. Sum is 1 and carry is 0. Sum is 1 and carry is 0. Wait a minute. Now we'll see our third condition, that is input A is 1 and input B is 0. For that, our sum is 1 and carry is 0. Now we'll check the fourth condition, that is our input A is 1 and B is also 1. For that sum is 1 and carry is 0. Sum is 0 and carry is 1. For both the condition A and B 1 1. Last condition we will check once again. For both the condition, that is A and B 1 1. So we will get sum is 0 and carry is 1. So hence we proved our half adder circuit with the help of breadboard, ICs and connections.